find LCM of three given numbers, we will need 400 chart of counting 1 to 100 and a cutter, a marker. Here, to begin with LCM, we will take three numbers. The three numbers are 3, 8 and 12. Firstly, we will take 100 chart and mark all the multiples of 3 on that with marker. In this manner, like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on. We have encircled all the multiples of 3 up to 100. Now we will take again a number chart from 1 to 100 and encircle all the multiples of 8. They are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and so on. We have encircled all the multiples of 8. Now, in the similar pattern, we will mark all the multiples of 12 on this 100 chart with the help of marker. These are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. Now we will cut all these multiples with the help of a cutter. In this manner, we will cut all these multiples of 3, 8 and 12. We have done it. You can see how it looks. Now take it one over another and take a colored 100 chart and place it one over it. Now what do we observe? The 24, 48, 72 and 96 are common multiples. And what is the least among these? 24. So the LCM of 3, 8 and 12 is 24. Now we will perform an activity to find HCF of three given numbers that are 65, 75 and 80. So material required for that, we will need 100 chart, 3 pens, colored pens, namely black, blue and brown. Now we will mark all the factors of 65 with black sketch. The factor of 65 are 1, 5, 30 and 65. Now we will mark all the factors of 75 with blue sketch. Factors of 75 are 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. Now we will mark all the factors factors of 80 with brown sketch. The factors of 80 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 16, 20, 40 and 80. Now you can see that which number have all the three colors, 1 and 5, and highest common factor of 65, 75, 80 is 5. Thank you and have a nice day.